Come on, you gotta open your eyes.
Find your feet.
What's wrong with my feet?
Come on, tighten it up.
Our eyes open.
No, not hers.
Oh
Me and just Carl here. Carl the bird, friendly bird. What's up, Carl? Ah! Carl! Carl! Get him up! Get him up! Get him up!
Come here. It's okay.
Carl! Shit, that's gonna out of me.
Ja, men du måste ta med påsen, inte? Kom här.
Kör nu.
Load it. Kom igen.